Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our really own and market's perspective on ANC future while talking about the Anchor Protocol cost gauge for 2022 and then some, which is genuinely critical. Kindly generally remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Anchor Protocol in a genuinely enormous manner. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive extremely profound into the Anchor Protocol value forecast and answer questions in the event that ANC is a wise venture or not, for what reason will ANC generally succeed or explicitly fall flat, or for what reason will Anchor Protocol value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what ANC is and its to-date history. ANC price prediction for the kind of next 90 days, or so they thought. The truly entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has generally drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional really steady business sectors, which generally is genuinely huge. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This certainly is essentially reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will sort of begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and in every way that really matters, later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 incredibly. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike, or so they thought. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each task in a sort of significant manner. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical exceptionally potential, and some sort of other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Anchor Protocol price prediction 2022, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. Underneath, in every practical sense, is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 15.01%, $0.0731 incredibly. 2022 October minus 28.97%, $0.0611. 2022 November minus 25.32%, $0.0642. 2022 December minus 18.13%, $0.0704, which is genuinely huge. 2023 Jan minus 19.65%, $0.0691. 2023 February minus 7.50%, $0.0795, or so they thought. 2023 Mar minus 5.70%, $0.0811. 2023 April minus 3.30%, $0.0832. 2023 May plus 6.53%, $0.0916. 2023 June plus 8.61%, $0.0934. 2023 July plus 19.60%, $0.1028. 2023 August plus 18.80%, $0.1022 in a significant manner. ANC price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees ANC coming to $0.1703 in 2025. What will ANC be worth in 5 years, which generally is genuinely huge? The cost of ANC in 5 years could lie around $0.1563. Anchor Protocol price prediction 2030 to 2040, or so they thought. What Anchor Protocol will be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Anchor Protocol coming to $0.4257 in 2030. What Anchor Protocol will especially be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Anchor Protocol coming to $0.8513 in 2040. Amazingly, will Anchor Protocol substitute, generally outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin, which especially is genuinely critical? No, Anchor Protocol won't supplant or sort of overwhelm BTC. Could Anchor Protocol especially reach $10? Indeed, Anchor Protocol could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022, which especially is very huge. Could Anchor Protocol reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Anchor Protocol to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period, which is very huge. Is Anchor Protocol worth purchasing, as opposed to prevalent thinking? We are supporters of tolerably hazardous money management. By and large, put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of sort of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Anchor Protocol is somewhat worth purchasing, which generally is genuinely critical. Is Anchor Protocol a very wise speculation? Anchor Protocol is, very much like for all plans and purposes other digital currencies, a dangerous venture. It has in every way that really matters, higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the essentially great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a sort of strong group behind it. What amount will Anchor Protocol be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0531. In the for the most part long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.4257 or considerably higher, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. For what reason will Anchor Protocol basically succeed and certainly become more expensive? Anchor Protocol has a genuinely decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it, which is genuinely huge. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Anchor Protocol ascending to $0.4257 in 2030. For what